Hello everyone, this is Brony Calc, and today we are going to be doing the 2018 AMC 12B number 21. Now this might be a little late, but then again, the AME cutoffs aren't out yet, so I guess I'm not as late as the MAA. Heyo! Anyways, if you think this handwriting is bad, you might want to leave right now. This is a geometry problem. And I cannot draw to save my life. Which is why I'm going to do a nice big diagram, because everyone's going to love that. Anyways, we got our triangle. It's a 5, 12, 13 right triangle. Wow, look at that. Am I drawing the stock market? Okay, I'll stop. Anyways, we have our circumcenter here. Circumcenter right triangle is always the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So that might be helpful to remember. Then we have our incenter. Incenter is on the angle bisectors. So I'm going to eyeball it right here. And we have a circle with center M that is tangent to both of our legs and to the circumcircle. So, since it's tangent to the legs, it's going to fall in the angle bisector, just like I. And let's say I draw it here. And I can draw a line through O, from O through our point, which is called M, by the way. I believe I mentioned that, but just in case. And that's going to touch the circle somewhere. So, just drawing it like this, we have this is radius R, this is radius R. And these have to be radius R as well. The whole thing forms a square. This is radius R. So this thing right here is going to be 13/2 minus R. And using this information, we can start coordinate bash. So to find the coordinates of I, we're going to want to know the radius. Radius is going to be this and this, so it's going to be x and y coordinate. We have R is the area divided by S, so we have 5 times 12 divided by 5 plus 12 plus 13, 25, 30 on the bottom, 60 on the top. Radius is 2, so I has coordinates 2, 2. O has coordinates based on the midpoints because perpendicular bisectors, so that's going to be 6 and 5/2. And M is on the angle bisector, so it's going to be R, R. And our distance from O to M is going to be 13/2 minus R, so we get 6 minus R squared plus 5/2 minus R squared equals 13/2 minus R squared. So for this side we get 36 minus 12R plus R squared, and now I'm going to move this over and do difference of squares just to hopefully get rid of those fractions. So the difference is 13/2 minus R minus 5/2 minus R, which gives us 4. And then we have the sum, which is going to be 15 plus 13 is 18, 18/2 is 9, 9 minus 2R, which is going to be 36 minus 8R. Hey, that's really nice. So R squared is equal to 4R, or in other words, R is 4, which is really, really convenient. So we have 2, 2, 4, 4, and 6 5/2. This, I'm not sure about you guys, but this really makes me want to do shoelace. So we have our points here. For those you don't know, shoelace is a way for giving coordinates, find the area of polygon, given the coordinates of all its vertices. So we start with the vertices like this, going to put a little more space. 2, 6, 4, 2, 5/2, 4. We repeat the one on top, and we start doing cross products. So for this one, 2 times 5/2 is 5, 6 times 4 is 24, 4 times 2 is 8. So if you add that up, 24 plus 8 is 32, plus 5 is 37. On this side, we get 12. Completely erase that. Let's see here. 5 halves times 4 is 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 20, 30. So, now we take the difference. The difference here is -7, absolute value, times 1/2. And our answer is 7 halves. I hope you all enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things I'm supposed to say as a YouTuber. And come back probably next week when I'll be tackling one of the older ARML individual tests for the return of our ARML individual challenge. I will see you all then. Until next time, this has been Browning Couch. Peace.